we decided to do it again.
Except this time, we're gonna do some different foods and some grosser foods.
Yes!
Here's how we're gonna play this time. We have a bowl with names in it. We're gonna pick out 2 names every single time, and that's who's gonna play that round.
Sweet. That
Okay.
means we can go like 3 times in a row.
You could go a lot of times in a row. David, why don't you pick out the first 2 names?
Daddy
Ooh.
and Michael.
Daddy versus Michael.
Daddy would eat anything. He would eat hot sauce, pepper sauce. He would eat pepper. He would eat lettuce.
Let's see what's in this.
Oh, that real bug.
This is rigged. There's no rickets? Is that what this is?
Real smashed pepper.
Ooh, Michael likes his bugs.
You want to eat real bugs?
You guys want to try one?
No.
Ew.
Come on, guys. It's like barbecue chips.
Chris is gonna eat one.
Not too bad. Oh. I might try one. It's so good.
You like them?
Yeah, they're good.
Chris likes them?
Yeah, they're just worms. I'm gonna eat one, babe. Yeah, you better. Is your bug good?
That's a yummy looking bug to me. Daddy's gonna eat the whole
Right,
plate.
guys? Look, it looks like they're moving. I think that one's still alive right there.
Ew. Let's see who's next.
Chris.
And
Me.
Alyssa. Go ahead, Pete.
I got gummies.
Fried chicken nuggets. Oh, I love this
Gummy dinosaurs versus real dinosaurs.
The orange part of this tastes like orange.
Let's see who's next.
Zach.
Zach and
Oh,
I like these.
You both
Oh, yours look good.
I love it.
I'm gonna have really good breath after this. What flavor are yours?
Mint.
Let's see who's next. Mommy. Ooh.
David.
And David. Oh, I like watermelon. Yummy.
Can I try one, David?
How's yours?
Pretty good.
I'm sure that you're sharing. I got David. David 2 times in a row.
That looks good. So hard. That's funny.
Let's see who goes next.
I got Chris. And Michael.
Chris versus Michael. You guys love each other? Cheese Star versus Gummy Star.
Is it good, Michael? I love it.
See who's next.
Daddy.
Let's like
Daddy and Hee.
Daddy versus Hee Hee. Ooh, apple.
We love apples. Oh, yeah.
Nice and tart. Sour?
No. It's like a chewy Jolly Rancher.
Please pick me.
Aaliyah!
And Mommy.
Oh!
Yay.
The 2 Ready, set, go. Real pineapple. I know you're
Jelly
jealous.
pineapple.
That's
These are actually pretty good.
It's cold. It's very cold and juicy. Alyssa.
And Chris.
Oh, nice. Alyssa, I noticed that your gummy food matches your shirt.
It does. This is the worst gummy food I've ever had.
Zach.
David.
Zach and David.
I got a burger. I'm gonna eat the burger.
Hamburger.
This is good.
Next up, Mommy
Yeah.
and Michael. I will try the pink one. You think you get mine?
I would rather have the real beans.
Are they good?
Yummy.
The beans are good. Zach!
Alyssa, it's me.
Zach and Alyssa.
Sweet.
Real pizza! I love how cute and small these pizzas are.
That looks good.
It's good. I'm gonna eat all the pizza in one bite.
Oh. Whoa, that was a big bite.
Next we have David and
Michael!
Oh,
This is my favorite!
Oh, that looks good. Oh, Michael's is super stretchy and hard.
Chris!
David.
David.
Yes.
Oh!
Does it taste like lime?
It's
or
good.
apple? Mine tastes like grape. I love grape.
I can wear it like a ring.
Look, and then you can lick the top. I got Michael. Look, I got you. Yes, I get to go against Michael. Go! Look at this. It's so huge. It's so heavy too. Is that good? Look at it. Look at the inside. Julie, that's so cool. It's That's cool. I got its ears. I hope you guys like watching this video as much as we like filming it or eating it.
It's pretty fun, right?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.